Hi guys, this is Maheshwari of MZC first year, Jagadgirigutta. Today's geology topic blood. In this topic, I am gonna discuss what is blood and what are the types and its functions. Before going to topic, let's know what is blood and its definition. Okay, blood is essential to life. Blood circulates through our body and delivers essential substances like oxygen and nutrients to the body cells. It also transports metabolic waste products away from those same cells. There is no substance for blood. It cannot be made or manufactured. Generous blood donors are the only source of blood for patients in need of blood transfusion. Okay, we have done with the definition of blood. Let's move to the blood components. What are blood components? There are four basic components that comprise human blood. First one, plasma, which is liquid red blood cells. RBC, which carries oxygen to the tissues. WBC, white blood cells, which fight against infectious diseases. And platelets, smaller cells that help blood to clot. What is plasma? Plasma is a liquid portion of your blood. Plasma is yellowish in color and is made up of mostly of water, but it also contains proteins, sugars, hormones, and salts. It transports water and nutrients to our body tissues. Plasma. This constitutes approximately 55% of the blood fluid in humans. The remaining 45% of the blood mainly consists of red and white blood cells and platelets. Okay, plasma is 92% water and the contents of the remaining 8% of include carbon dioxide, glucose, hormones, proteins, mineral salts, fats and vitamins. Okay, let's move to RBC. What is RBC actually? RBC, red blood cells. Red blood cells are also called as erythrocytes. Red blood cells represent 40 to 45% of your blood volume. They are generated from your bone marrow at a rate of 4.45 billions per hour. RBC life cycle 120 days in the. Okay, we have completed RBC, right? Let's move to WBC. WBC, white blood cells. Although white blood cells are also called leukocytes, only amount for about 1% of your blood. They are very important. White blood cells are essential for good health and protection against illness and diseases. Like red blood cells, they are constantly being generated from your bone marrow. They flow through the bloodstream and attack foreign bodies like virus and bacteria. They can even leave the bloodstream to extend the fight into tissues. Platelets. Platelets are also called thrombocytes. Platelets are the smallest of our blood cells and literally look like small plates in their non-active form. Platelets control bleeding. Wherever a wound occurs, the blood vessels will send out a signal. Platelets receive the signal and travel to the area and transforms into their active formation, growing long tentacles to make contact with the vessels and form clusters to plug the wound until it heals. We have completed with the four types of components of blood, right? Let's move to the functions of blood. They are supplying oxygen to cells and tissues, providing essential nutrients to cells such as amino acids, fatty acids, and glucose, remaining waste materials such as carbon dioxide, urea, and lactic acid, protecting the body from infection and foreign bodies through the white blood cells, transporting hormones from one part of the body to another, transmitting messages and completing important processes, regulating acidity levels and body temperatures, engorging parts of the body when needed. For example, a penile erection as a response to sexual arousal.